Peace be upon you all. Assalamu alaikum jami'an. Welcome again to my channel where we deliver lessons for teaching Moroccan Darija. In this video, we will focus on how to teach some expressions and phrases concerning shopping and bargaining in Moroccan Darija. Okay? Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, as usual, I love to start with vocabularies and some useful expressions and essential words. We will start with asking the price. Asking the price. So here are some expressions that you can use to ask the price while you are in a traditional Moroccan market or in a shop or wherever you go to buy something. The first one is شحال الثمن لهاد الشيء شحال الثمن لهاد الشيء. How much is this? شحال الثمن لهاد الشيء. How much is this? Or شحال الثمن لهادي. How much is this? Now, second one شحال كتسوى هاد الحاجة. شحال كتسوى هاد الحاجة. How much does this item cost? How much does this item cost? شحال هادي هذا الكيلو. So how much for a kilo? So here when we are, for example, in a greengrocer or in a shop where we want to buy fruit or vegetables, so we can use this expression. شحال هذه الكيلو؟ شحال التفاح الكيلو؟ شحال البنان الكيلو? How much for a kilo? Now move on to accepting or declining. Accepting or declining. The first expression here اسمح لي مازال غالي. اسمح لي مازال غالي. اسمح لي مازال غالي. Here we express declining. Sorry, it's still too expensive. Sorry, it's still too expensive. واخا اتفقنا على هاد الثمن. واخا اتفقنا على هاد الثمن. Here we express accepting. واخا اتفقنا على هاد الثمن. Translation here, okay, we agree on this price. We agree on this price. Okay? In Darija also we can say هادي دراهمي الاخرين or هادي فلوسي الاخرين هادشي اللي عندي زعما هادشي اللي عندي. So this is all the money I have. This is all the money I have. هادشي اللي عندي. So if you want I can pay. If you don't I will walk away. Okay, now move on to some expressions to express bargaining. Okay. In Darija we can say ولكن غالي بزاف نقص شوية. ولكن غالي بزاف نقص شوية. It's too expensive. Lower the price a bit. It's too expensive. Lower the price a bit. In Darija also we can say ما اتفقناش على هاد الثمن نقص لي. ما اتفقناش على هاد الثمن نقص لي. ما اتفقناش على هاد الثمن نقص لي. We don't agree on this price, so reduce it for me. أنا زبون ديالك أعطيني شي خصمة ولا أعطيني ولا نقص ليا. نقص ليا. خصمة ولا تخفيض. Okay? I'm your customer, give me a discount. We can say also واش هادشي حتى هو فيه تخفيض. واش هادشي حتى هو فيه تخفيض. Is there a discount on this as well? Is there a discount on this as well? Another expression إلا شريت كتر تعطيني شي بري سبيسيال. إلا شريت كتر تعطيني شي بري سبيسيال. If I buy more, will you give me a special price? Okay, here are a practice dialogue between a customer and vendor. Okay? So here سلام شحال هذا؟ vendor سلام 100 درهم. We have explained that the Moroccan currency is dirham. Customer غالي نقص شوية. vendor okay 70 درهم. Customer أنا نعطيك 50 درهم. vendor لا أعطيني 60 درهم. Customer okay 60 درهم مزيانة متفقين. So here what I want here is to return back to the expression that we have explained and try to find their translation in English. So here are Moroccan Darija words. Try to find the translation. Here are another example. So, matching exercise pair Darija words with English translation. Here we have 4 words, and you have to look for the appropriate meaning of these words in Darija. Okay? سلام, غالي, شحال هذا, نقص. Okay? I think that this one is very easy. Move on to the second one, fill in the blank exercise, complete the dialogue. We have seen the dialogue, customer and vendor, customer, vendor. Okay. Go back to the previous dialogue and you will find it easy to complete and fill in the blank. So, here are the most important things. So when you are in a traditional market in Morocco, souk, as we say in Moroccan Darija, souk. So here are some tips for successful bargaining. Okay? Start low. Offer a low price than you are willing to pay. So here, bargaining is in the Moroccan traditionals and customs. So when we go to the market, so we bargain a lot. There is no fixed price. Okay. Here, offer a lower price than you are willing to pay. Be patient. Bargaining takes time. We don't rush the process. Okay? So be patient and don't rush the process. Be polite, and this is the most important thing. Use respectful language and a friendly tone. And finally, walk away if you are not agree about the price with the vendor. So it is better to walk away. If you are not satisfied with the price, be prepared to walk away. That is the best thing to do. Here are some cultural insights, etiquette, and expectations. Negotiations. Bargaining is expected and considered a part of the shopping experience. As I have explained, Moroccan culture, so all the people bargaining in the traditional market. Okay, can say it is a rule. Okay, here, hospitality. Vendors often offer tea or mint tea as a gesture of hospitality. That is clear because, as we have explained it all the time, Moroccan people are generous. Courtesy always greet the vendor and use polite language. Polite language is a must. Cash preferred. So here is also an important idea. So when you go to the traditional market or souk, don't expect the vendor to accept the credit card. Credit card is not allowed. So you have to take cash with you when you buy something to pay for it. Okay, cash is typically preferred over credit card. Finally, so you now have a basic understanding of Moroccan Darija for shopping and bargaining. So with practice, you will be able to navigate the souk with a confidence. If you do your best to master all so those expressions and phrases, words, so you will find it easy to bargain and you will find it easy to navigate in the souks, in the traditional markets in Morocco. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session, inshallah.